Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. And today guys, in this video, this is my chickens, the Dexter's Vlog chicken. And today guys, in this video, we're going to make a live edge wood table. So let's see. So this is the live edge wood that my father gave me. So we're going to clean this first. Come on guys. So I made this cleaning this live edge wood by using this sander. And now we're done cleaning this live edge wood, and now I'm going to ask the help of my friend Ivan, who is my friend who's experts in carpentry. So he is the one who will make, to stand this table. So as you see guys, I cleaned this 2x2 wood. This is a mahogany wood, 2x2x8, 8 feet long. So this is going to be used to the foot of the table. So we are almost done, guys, making our native table here. Bigay. Bang. Hindi, biskuit. Tumba. Bitaw. We're now done, guys, making this live edge wood table. As you can see, it's just like a 3 foot here. It's a 3 feet. I mean, there's a little bit, not 4, because it's just a small table. So it's ready to put there in our balcony. So this made by Ivan. Yes, Ivan. So we are now ready to put there in our balcony. So we are now done making this live edge wood table, guys. So with the help of my friend here, Ivan. So he's a great man. He knows a lot about this carpentry. So every time I want to make a like this, I'll just call Ivan to help me, because he's the most experienced to do these things. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope to see you more in my another vlog. So please subscribe and hit the bell button for more notification, so you can notify for my new videos. So stay safe, guys. God bless us all.